Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm gonna show you why you need to disable your Stream Deck from starting up. Okay, if your Stream Deck, okay, does not start or starts before your computer turns on, your Stream Deck with OBS will not work correctly. Okay, it'll say starting services, or it won't do record, it won't do clip, it won't do anything. It'll say waiting for OBS. There you go. It'll say waiting for OBS or waiting for settings. Okay, so make sure you disable it. And how you disable it is right clicking on the start menu or control delete and then go into task manager or type it in task manager, and then you're going to go to the startup. Okay, and then once you go to the startup section over here on the left side, I want you to go to Stream Deck and disable it. Okay, and then once you disable it, I want you to open file location. Okay, and then I want you to open up the application manually. Okay, and then once you open it up manually, you should see it start up here. Go to your bottom taskbar, right click on it, and pin it to your taskbar. Okay, because you're going to open it up manually. Okay, so when you start your computer up, your Stream Deck may not be on, or it may be on, but the program will not start. Okay, especially since you disabled it. And then you're going to press the application on, and then bam, it's going to start working again. Okay, and if that doesn't fix it, I don't know what to tell you. Stream Deck Elgato needs to fix their program, because sometimes if the program starts before it actually starts up, it will just not work. So I'd rather just do it manually. Okay, and that's how you fix that. Or if you really want to go the long route, go on the bottom right here and let it, you can let it start, auto start, but go to the bottom right here on the up arrow, hit Stream Deck, right click on it, quit Stream Deck. Don't ask me again because I don't care. Okay, and go back to Stream Deck again and then reopen it, and it should start working again. You just need to restart the program, but I think it's better to just let it disable, click on it, go from there. Okay, if you have any other questions, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.